first serial production ATMACA Missile delivery. Roketsan made the first serial production delivery of ATMACA, an indigenous anti-ship missile, to the Turkish Naval Force command. The acceptance activities of ATMACA anti-ship missile were successfully completed in the recent past. Following the inclusion of the prototype missile in the inventory of Turkish Naval Forces, Roketsan started deliveries of the mass production Atmaca anti-ship missile. According to information obtained by Savun Masanais, Turkish defense news platform, during 2023, double-digit number of Atmaca missiles have been delivered to the Turkish Naval Forces so far with the rapid delivery batches. The delivered missiles will be integrated into the surface ship's capabilities. In the context, 250 kilometer range Atmaca anti-ship missile with active radar seeker developed under the main contractorship of Roketsan was fired for the first time from Belgium TCG Canaliada Corvette in November 2019. With following extensive testing activities, during these firing tests, Atmaca successfully hit a fixed target on the sea surface. During another test conducted on 18 of June 2021, the Atmaca missile was again fired from Kinaliada Corvette and hit a real ship target for the first time. The target ship sank after being hit by Atmaca missile. In the recent past, Atmaca officially entered the Turkish Navy inventory as a result of low-rate production. Roketsan Atmaca anti-ship missile can only be detected by target platform at distance of 18 to 20 kilometers due to its low radar cross-sectional area and super sea skimming, which means that it can fly close to the water surface. Based on Atmaca speed of Mach 0.85, this gives the crew the target ship a very limited reaction time. For the first reason, it is believed that the platform target by Atmaca will not be able to easily eliminate